What happens to a man's body when his blood flow slowly weakens year after year, and he never realizes it until it has already taken away his energy, his confidence, and the spark that makes him feel alive? Before we jump in, let me ask you something shocking. Did you know that after age 55, your body produces almost 50% less nitric oxide than it did in your 20s? That alone can change everything about how you feel as a man. And before we even begin, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, tap that little bell so you never miss new videos, and drop a comment below answering this question. Have your mornings changed in the last 5 years? It's just one question, but it tells me a lot about how your circulation is doing. Now let's talk, really talk, because what I'm about to say may surprise you. If you're over 55 or 60 or even 70, you've probably felt subtle changes in your body. Not enough to scare you, not enough to send you to a doctor, but enough to make you wonder, why don't I feel like myself anymore? Maybe your mornings feel weaker. Maybe your response time is slower. Maybe your stamina isn't what it used to be. You might still want intimacy, the desire is still there, the interest is there, but something inside feels like it's lagging. Most men chalk it up to aging, they shrug it off, they joke about it, they keep it to themselves, but deep down it bothers them more than anyone knows. Let me ask you this. When was the last time you woke up and felt that automatic morning signal, that effortless, unmistakable sign that your hormones and blood flow are communicating the way they're supposed to? For most men over 55, that signal doesn't disappear overnight. It fades quietly, slowly, silently. One day you realize something that used to feel automatic now requires effort or doesn't happen at all. And that moment is when many men start to feel fear, not because they've changed as men, but because their bodies aren't responding the way they once did. But here's the truth that almost nobody tells men. The first system in your body that begins to age is not your muscles, not your stamina, not your testosterone. It's your circulation, specifically the tiny microvessels responsible for carrying oxygen, nutrients, and blood to the areas of your body that define your masculinity and vitality. These microvessels don't shout when they struggle, they whisper, and every year that whisper gets quieter. Inside these vessels is something called the endothelium, a thin lining that controls when your blood vessels expand and contract. When you're young, the endothelium is flexible, responsive, electric, it reacts instantly. But as you age, thanks to inflammation, stress, high sugar spikes, poor sleep, and just life, the endothelium becomes stiff, less reactive, less able to send blood where it needs to go. Most men don't know this. They think it's testosterone, they think it's motivation, they think it's stress. But science is clear, your ability to function physically, energetically, sexually, emotionally depends more on blood flow than testosterone. You can have sky-high testosterone, but if your blood vessels won't open, nothing happens. This is why so many men in their 50s, 60s, and 70s say the same thing. I still want it, my mind wants it, but my body hesitates. And that hesitation affects everything: your confidence, your mood, your energy, your relationship. But here's the good news. Blood flow is fixable. I've seen men in their 70s turn things around in a matter of weeks by supporting their circulation and restoring endothelial function. But almost nobody teaches men how to do this. So before we dive deeper, hit the like button if you haven't yet, drop a comment saying I'm ready, and share this video with another man who needs this. I promise you it could change his life. Alright, let's keep going. You've probably been told to use olive oil for your heart. And yes, olive oil is absolutely healthy. It reduces inflammation, it supports long-term vessel health, it's loaded with antioxidants. But here's what almost no one tells you: olive oil does not activate blood flow. It doesn't open the tiny arteries that matter most to men. It doesn't spark nitric oxide, it supports your vessels, but it doesn't trigger them. This is why so many men who eat clean, eat Mediterranean, use olive oil, avoid junk food, and still feel slow, still feel dull, still feel unresponsive, come to me confused. My heart numbers are good, my cholesterol is good, my diet is clean, so why won't my body respond the way it used to? Because olive oil is the building material, it is not the signal. That brings us to something most men overlook entirely: vinegar. Not a miracle, not magic, not hype, just chemistry. Vinegar is one of the most powerful natural activators of nitric oxide. Why? Because of acetic acid, the main compound in vinegar. Acetic acid has been shown in multiple studies to improve endothelial function, enhance nitric oxide pathways, and reduce blood sugar spikes, which is crucial because sugar spikes quietly damage the endothelium every single day. Let me give you an example. I once had a 64-year-old patient, a retired engineer. He ate clean, walked every day, took supplements, but his mornings were weak, his energy was dropping, and he felt old. I started him on a simple routine: 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in water before lunch and dinner, and olive oil with vinegar on a salad once a day. No pills, no medications, no complicated program. In 3 weeks, he came back and said, "My hands and feet feel warm again." In 5 weeks, he said, "My mornings are back." In 2 months, he said, "I feel like myself again." Why? Because vinegar activates, olive oil protects, vinegar signals, olive oil supports, vinegar wakes up your endothelium, olive oil strengthens it. Together, they create something powerful: activation plus protection. Mediterranean cultures have been using this combination for centuries. They weren't using it for performance. They were using it for circulation, digestion, energy, and metabolic health. That's why older men in those regions often stay active, mobile, and vibrant deep into old age. Now let's get into the practical step-by-step method, because timing matters, consistency matters, and the right combination matters. But before we dive into the method, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment with your age. I want to see how many strong men we've got watching today. Okay, here, how to use the vinegar-olive oil combination correctly over a 6-week timeline. Week 1-2. Take 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or red wine vinegar in a tall glass of water 10-15 minutes before your 2 largest meals of the day. Sip it slowly. This stabilizes blood sugar spikes and starts supporting nitric oxide. At dinner, add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil plus 1 or 2 teaspoons of vinegar over vegetables or salad. This begins the activation protection cycle. During these first 2 weeks, most men feel improved digestion, less bloating, and slight increases in warmth in their extremities. Week 3-4. This is where the inner shifts begin. The endothelium becomes more responsive. Blood flow smoothens. Most men report better sleep, clearer mental energy, less midday fatigue, and the first signs of improved morning signals. Not dramatic yet, but noticeable. This is usually when men send me messages saying something feels different. That different is circulation waking up. Week 5-6. This is where the magic happens. Morning signals improve. Stamina feels steadier. Response time feels faster. Warmth, drive, and mood all lift. Not because of magic, not because of luck. Because the microvessels have become more flexible, more reactive, more alive. Because nitric oxide pathways are working again. Because the endothelium is finally getting what it needs. But here's the thing, men sabotage this process with a few common mistakes. Taking vinegar on an empty stomach if they have acid sensitivity. Using cheap olive oil that's been refined. Taking huge doses expecting overnight results. Stopping after a week because they didn't feel anything yet. Or using this combination instead of proper medical care. Don't make those mistakes. And now let me tell you something important, something I tell every man over 55. You are not losing your strength because you're old. You are not failing. You are not broken. You are not less of a man. You are experiencing a biological shift that can be supported, a shift that can be improved, a shift that can be reversed. Your vitality is not gone, it's waiting, waiting for better blood flow, waiting for activation, waiting for consistency. I've seen men at 62, 67, 74, 81 turn things around in weeks, not by chasing extreme solutions, but by understanding their biology and supporting their bodies the right way. Before we wrap up, answer this one question in the comments. Do you want more videos about circulation and men's vitality? Your answers help me create the content you actually need. And if this video helped you, hit like, share it with a friend who needs it, and subscribe so you never miss the next insight. Your body is capable of more than you think. Your vitality is closer than you realize. And your best days as a man are not behind you, they're waiting for the moment you start supporting your circulation again. See you in the next video.